Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of STRAT India. Today we will discuss about the Indian-made Joint Venture Protective Carbine or JVPC. The Joint Venture Protective Carbine, JVPC, also known as Modern Submachine Carbine, is a gas-operated, magazine-fed, select-fire semi-bullpup carbine designed to chamber the 5.56 x 30mm Minces cartridge. It is an Indian submachine carbine designed by the Armament Research and Development Establishment of the Defence Research and Development Organisation and manufactured by the Advanced Weapons and Equipment India Limited. It was intended as a replacement for the 9mm Sterling submachine gun in service with the Indian Armed Forces. The JVPC already cleared user trials conducted by Army and is currently being procured for the Central Armed Police Forces. The JVPC is a highly compact weapon that is less than 22 inches long with the stock collapsed, making it ideal for personal defense, close-quarter battle and counter-insurgency operations. The JVPC has a pistol grip with a magazine well. It has multiple mil STD 1913 Picatinny rail system, one on the upper receiver for mounting modern optics and sights and one on the lower for mounting forward hand grip. A 30-round MSMC magazines is inserted through this pistol grip. JVPC has a barrel length of 300 mm and an effective range of 200 meters. It has provision to equip barrel attachments such as suppressor and bayonet. The carbine is designed to fire 5.56 x 30mm Minces round and have a muzzle velocity of 650 meters per second. The JVPC has gas-operated rotating bolt mechanism and features two modes of fire, single and full auto, which fires at a rate of 800 rounds per minute. The first customer of this sophisticated carbines are State Police Forces of India. The JVPC may see large orders from Army, as there are 4 lakh Sterling submachine guns lying idle with the infantry and waiting to be replaced. The Indian carbine has a large export potential also, as it matches the legendary Uzi submachine gun. The Uzi gun has a muzzle velocity of 400 meters per second and fire a 9mm pistol round. The rate of fire of Uzi submachine gun comparable to Indian carbine. Hence JVPC is a better weapon compared to Uzi with high muzzle velocity and high caliber bullet. Feel free to share your views on comments box. If you liked this video, please share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more of these videos. With this I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends.